What is up, guys? So today I have here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and today I'm going to be talking about my experience after having this device since it was released. So let's get started. Just to clarify, it has been 8 months since I got my hands on this device. But yeah, so the first thing that I want to talk about is the most important aspect of any phone for me, and that is the cameras. So the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has 3 cameras total. We have two 12 megapixel sensors at the back and one 10 megapixel sensor at the front. And overall, it just takes really good photos, and you can use the cover screen as a selfie finder. So if you're wondering what's happening with my wall in the background, I'm redoing it, so that's what's going on there, just in case you're wondering. But yeah, so it takes really great photos. I'll put a few samples that I have on the screen so you guys can see that. But yeah, so for cameras, it's been a really great experience, and it's definitely not something that this phone is known for. It's not known for having the best cameras, but they're definitely still really good. Okay, and now for something that is really important. How has this device held up after 8 months of use? So it's been actually really good. So there isn't many physical things, physical damage that this phone has taken. It's held up really great, honestly. The only thing on the inside is just some micro scratches that you're gonna get with really any phone. As you can see, there's some kind of bigger I guess gashes in the display because someone with really long fake fingernails kind of scratched the screen, so that's what's going on there. But this is the first screen protector that I've had on this phone, so it's the one that this device has been shipped with. So for that durability and just longevity of this device, it's been really good. And now just kind of what this device is made out of. So we have Armor aluminum for the rails. We have Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on front and back. And we have Samsung's flexible glass technology on the inside. So pretty durable stuff all around. And now if I can recommend this device to you if you're interested in picking it up. Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is this device is definitely worth it. It is a great phone, super cool form factor of obviously it being able to fold right in half, and it's just so cool just to have a folding phone. So you have your regular device, regular size, really nice, and then it folds into this really nice compact design with your cover screen, so you can, basically use it as anything. You can open widgets, you can check notifications, you can do quick settings. So overall, it's just a really nice experience with this device. I can definitely recommend it to you if you're interested in picking it up. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description to Amazon and Samsung if you're interested in picking this device up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.